Okay, here I am in San Jose at a house in Cambrian, and if you've never seen a 360 home tour before, I want you to explore while I'm walking around. You can scroll up or down or move your device so that you get a feel for the full area that I'm in. So I'm going to go ahead and walk in. Hopefully you got a chance to look around the neighborhood a little bit. And now we're going to go in the house and take a look around. Now this is a great way if you're a buyer to easily see a whole bunch of houses. You can have your realtor like me do a 360 tour. It's also a really great way for properties to be marketed, especially in today's world of virtual. This is a great way. So take a look around in this living room, great front window with trees. It's a beautiful, blustery April day, so some of the trees don't have leaves and some of them are just coming in. But this is nice and open here, you see. So we're actually walking into the dining room and kitchen. Take a look at this kitchen area. It's pretty great. And also the family room here with a fireplace and a gas log. Don't look up. There's a couple cool features that you'll notice looking up. Sun tunnels, crown molding, recessed speakers, all these things that you might miss in a regular video that a 360 video can show you. And this great laundry room. And I'm going to take you back to the bedrooms and then we'll head out to that patio. So the first, this is a 4-bedroom house. Here is the bathroom and the first bedroom. Take a look around, up and down, beautiful trim, nice big closets. That door in the hallway is to the furnace. This is the second bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom does not have a large closet. It's been used as an office and there's no door. But if you look up, you see great detail in this property. The third bedroom is facing the back with this shed that you see in the backyard. And has a big double door closet. And this here is our master suite. You definitely want to look up in this video or in this section. Beautiful ceilings as well as great views outside. Gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. And this has a walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom with travertine. Let's head outside. If you look down, I don't know if you noticed before, this family room is actually travertine or a porcelain tile maybe. The rest of the house is hardwood. Here's the beautiful patio. Nice lawn. It smells gorgeous right now with the orange blossoms. You can look down the side yard. And this part of the yard. And I'll show you the other side yard. You can get details of the house and the exterior right now. Of this lovely shed. Now you can see up and down along this side yard as well. So this is this gorgeous, very typical Cambrian property and a really unique experience. If any of this went too fast, you can go back and pause and still explore the 360 video. Thank you so much for joining me on this 360 tour.